Okay, I'm back in the village. I'll just do a quick turn around 360. I'm stood on the little bridge to the small road that takes me up to my house. So I'll do a little walk up in a minute and some thoughts. But the first thing is, check this out. We've got no water because there's no water in the bloody river. That is Snuff Dry bar a few little puddles up there. So we're back to the douching, which is fine. 11 litres of water. It's amazing what you can wash with 11 litres of water and rinse. So I've got my standard fare for the day. Well, I'm here this morning. I've got my coffee and I've got my Cappy Pulpy fresh orange juice. Cheers. Okay, that's good. Right, just hang on, walking thoughts. Right, I actually just started this a second ago and thought, oh, this is my fourth visit. It isn't, this is my third visit. I'm pretty sure it's my third visit. It just seems like more. But anyway, so it's a beautiful day. It's going to be a hot one. I caught the train yesterday from Sofia, spent the night there, Tuesday night there, flew out from Manchester this time. Going to go back to Liverpool because even though some thieving gets nicked my wheel off my Suzuki last time I was there, God, it's got to be better than Manchester. Yeah, spent all night up, started a new script for something, another one 2,500 words, so that was useful. Managed to get through the airport spending about 12 quid tops, I think. But yeah, just not the way to do it. So yeah, spent an evening in Sofia, and I didn't do it justice. It's an incredibly beautiful place, but it's also a bomb site, if that makes sense. Very much like the press says, a miniature Paris. The buildings in the nice parts are absolutely stunning. They are spending a small fortune in money and time putting new paths here, there and everywhere, pathways, and I've got to say they're not the best style, I've got to say, but anyway, just do another little quick 360. So I'm at the bottom road, coming round, look at the mountains, there's the sky blue, and up there on the left is Slackgo's van, and above is my house. So I'm going to walk past Slackgo, I'm going to go say hello to the house, have a quick walk round, check out my new roof, and then I'm going to go say hi to Slackgo and Ivan, because I didn't get down last night. I was absolutely knackered. I think I was in bed at 10, and then I woke up and I thought it was about 1 o'clock, but it wasn't, it was 5:30. So there we go. It's now about 9:30. I had quite a lazy morning, but yeah, so I can't wait to see what's been happening, and I can't wait to get stuck in. So let's have a look. So there's my beautiful new barn roof. So I'll put some photos up when I do all the editing, but while I've been away, Zlatko, Ivan and the boys, they've done this section of the project. So from the left, that's going to be the bedroom in the barn conversion. Coming to the right, above the green doors, which I've mentioned before, I'm leaving in. I'm going to put a wall in behind. We've got beautiful guttering. It's all been felted, new rafters where needed, new bits of truss where needed, which we'll see inside. Then it's been boarded in traditional Bulgarian style, and then the tiles are the reclaimed tiles. So that's from the house section which we had done last year. I can't say enough about Zlatko and his boys. They've done me proud. The only interesting thing is, and I do understand why they've done it, is they haven't run the gutter along this section of the barn. It ends here. Can you see that? Straight in the middle, obviously. Now, the water's just going to run off and go away, so that's fine. It is a really small area of roof, but when it comes to the harvesting, I may put another bit of gutter on just so we've got extra. Now, they cleared, bless them, all the way around the house here to get this done. I've got that gable end to make up at some point. Again, that isn't going to happen on this visit. I'm just going forward as I can, and then that's going to be an area that gets attended to when I'm here sort of full time, because that's when the barn's going to get done. But while I'm here, I'll just say, yeah, so that wall there is mud brick, so that needs rendering, which I'll get them to do. We've got plenty of cover. Look at that lovely cover there for the eaves. This is one job that I need them to do while I'm away, is I want to get oh God, you know, not fascias, you know what I mean. I'll come back to that when my brain's woken up, because it hasn't. Soffits, that's it, soffits. So we've got to get soffit fitted underneath. And it's not a brilliant picture, but there we go, let's have a look. Soffits, can we see? Soffits underneath, because I've had some little critters in that have been attacking my membrane. But hopefully it's not a big problem. I'll soon find out, because I'm going in now. I need to get stuck into this, don't I? Get all this cleared away. Oh look, berries, lovely. But anyway, that's Eva, the hoochmaker's dog. Morning, Evan, the hoochmaker's dog. Giving it the good barky. Now, I've got to get my electric switched on. I'll probably use about £1 worth since I was last here. Let's have a look. Can we see in? I'll just see if we can. No, we've got a red light, so does that mean it's on? I don't know. Can you see the red light? Should have brought a plug to test it, but I forgot in my excitement of getting down here. So I need to get those little windows boarded over. I need to stop the birds coming into nest, because I don't want to have them flying into glass and stuff like that when I do get the windows in. So if I can put them off, that'll be good. Right, so we're going in. Good God. Good God. Bear with me. Hellfire. It's not easy holding the bloody camera. Oh. I mean, we've had a lot of rain, so where's the rain in the bloody river? Right, good God, it's a jungle. It's a jungle. My God. Good God, this is what happens when you don't come for a year and a bit. Wow. I don't know where to start. Bloody hell. Start at the beginning one. Let's get round here. Christ. Bloody hell. Right. I'm nearly there. Oof. I'm nearly there. Wow. Okay. I'm just coming in here a minute before I start. Get that on there. Oh, you'll stay there. Right. Sorry about this shit filming. Ooh, right. The usual, the walk round. More treasure, baby shoe. Look at that. That's cool. I could sell that to a fashion designer. They could rebrand that. Right. Check out the jungle. And I mean jungle. Wow. I've got a plan of what I'm going to do while I'm here, or what I'd like to start doing, but I think in all reality, the first thing I need to do is have a sort out of this area here. So there's the porch, I'm stood looking, where are we looking? We're looking southeast now, I'm guessing. The sun's up there, I won't put it in your eyes. So south, southeast. It's going to get hot. So I need to get this area here cleared. Yeah, before I do anything. But before I do anything like that, I want to have a look and see what's been happening. So, Mr. Bond. There's me vermin damage, look. Can you see the membrane? It's on a bit of dust. So, something has attacked my membrane. The little buggers, look at that. Yeah, something's had a right go on that, haven't they? However, it's fine, I'll patch it, I'm not worried. Even up in the ridge there, can you see those little light holes there? Ba-dum, finger there, look, focus. Tiny little holes, but they're there. So not an issue. Not an issue. Right. Let's have a look in here. So again, membrane. Yeah, the buggers have been in it. Yeah, so I'll patch it. I'm not worried. Right. So I'm not going to do this for too long. The plan is this wall is coming out. That's the job I really want to achieve while I'm here, to be quite honest. So I get a feeling of this big room. That wall's coming out. I want to build. I'm going to put a concrete pad in the middle, and I'm going to put an oak timber. Let me get into this other room. Come over here a minute. I'm going to put an oak timber in. Oh goodness gracious! I'm going to put an oak timber in, going up the middle, a bit above, and I'm going to catch certainly 3, if not 4, of the trusses, floor joists rather, ceiling joists. So if we catch 1, 2, ooh, yeah, and this one here, 3 certainly. That should be sufficient, but I'll decide when I've got it down. I might put 2 pillars in, because the plan is if I put 2 pillars in, where are we here? I'm going to build the dining table around it in the centre here, because this is going to become one big room. Let's just get out a minute. So this becomes one big room once that wall's out, and then let me go to this end, and then I'm going to put a green oak extension on. Where's my finger? There, coming out here. Oh, come on, focus camera, to match, but on a, come on. It's going to come out as far as the porch. It keeps on going in and out of focus, I don't know why. So what am I going to get? 7, 8 foot something going out, and that is going to give me a really lovely big open plan dining and kitchen area. Cellar for storage, utilities, and my pickling. Kitchen will basically all freestanding. Even my sink actually is going to be freestanding. Everything's going to be freestanding. So basically, running around that wall there, going around this wall out, obviously, and coming along here. There'll be a doorway here, eventually going into a bathroom. And then let me just stand back here. Yeah, so that pillar's staying in there. This is coming out, this window here, down here. This is going to come out. May leave this pillar in here. It's just going to be down to ease of doing it. And I don't mind an odd pillar. And then we're going to have big French doors and big windows. I might even reuse these traditional ones that are in and put a double glazing unit on them because I like them. But yeah, certainly all that piece is coming out, all that, so that it's one big open area, lots of light, etc, etc. Right, here, first job, clear all this, bloody hell. Hey, the boys have made a beautiful ladder, look at that. That's great, actually, fabulous. Aha. Gonna use that a lot. Right, so we're into the new bit. So we've got some spare timber, excellent. We've got a lot of mess to clear up. Oh baby, oh, I've just seen something, but anyway, I'll have a look at that in a minute. Right, okay, so they boarded that. Okay, so this is where this started. I'm in the barn side, so they've membraned that, and then obviously spotted the holes in the membrane, and that's when Ivan's rung me and they've gone for the board as so, which is great. It's cost a bit more money, but it's obviously a much more sound job, and I'm happy with that. They've repaired these timbers up here. That is a bit Heath Robinson, but again, it's just the way it is. More importantly, this pillar's been built. Let me get in here. Rambles and everything. Yeah, I need to get in here with the cutter. So, the pillar's been rebuilt, which was a concern because it was coming down and that had to be done. Again, that wall there, whilst I'm away, I will get them to render that on the gable end. And then the outside is done. The outside is done. These timbers up here are obviously drying out. They've had water getting into them for a long time. So, but the sound now then. Let's have a look in here because, wow. Yeah, I'm basically going to be clearing up while I'm here. So this is all the stuff that's come down from the roof. So we're going to have a fire, I think. I've got to get rid of some of this stuff. I'm not just storing it for the sake of it. I'm going to keep decent pieces like that. But yeah, I'm going to have a controlled fire at some point while I'm here. Definitely. Right. So let's just go back to the main house and have a look and say hello. So I've got to get a plan together. Tidy site, tidy mind. We've got a stack of firewood under here. So if it's good wood and I chop it and it's worth firing, then yeah, I'll keep it for the fire. But other than that, it's got to go. This is going to be my bathroom with that door that I showed you. Still the disturbing pictures there. Oh. But anyhow, right, let's go to the main house. Oh, I've just put Skin So Softly in my eyes. Oh, Skin So Softly. Oh, not so good in your eyes. Right, is my electric on is the question. Well, I didn't bring a plug and I'm suggesting it isn't. Oh, my eyes, that was a really bad move and I'm just rubbing it in now. Oh, you dumb idiot. Right, my packs of wood are still here, which is fantastic. They're about 3 times the price now, so in hindsight, even though I did buy it early, it was actually a bloody good move. John and Len have had a few packs that they're going to replace, which is fine. If I get time, I might build myself a composting toilet, but I think I've just got so much to do in the time I'm here. I think the reality is that's the least of my worries at the moment. Now, I'm just asking myself the question, yes, obviously I've got to have a tidy up, but how far do I go? Because it's actually, you know, security at the end of the day, and I'm not really fussed about that in the sense of that goes right on the door. Look at that, I love it. Right on my doorstep. I'm not keeping tools here. Yeah, so how far did we get this time? Last time rather I was here. Oh, so we're in here. This is a bedroom. So this floor's to dig out. I want to get this out, get those timbers out and stored. This roof's gonna come in, this ceiling's gonna come in. Again, I'd like to get to it while I'm here, even if it's just to get it down when the dust settles. That'll be good. I'm going to take it room by room. So this is going to be the house bathroom. Just because it's got, I mean, it's going to be a really lovely place to be in, I think. Yeah, so we're going to have a staircase, I think I decided, in that corner. That's going to go up to the loft. Maybe a spiral staircase. We'll get a toilet in there, and then we'll have I'll probably have a wet room, to be quite honest. I think that's what I'm going to do in here. I'm not bothered about a bath. So yeah, just a really big, lovely wet room. Yeah, that's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. I need to get Zlatko and the boys to, this is stuff from outside on the windows, it's just render, so I'm going to get them to repair those as well. Window open, bugger, hold that shut. Oh dear, what's that doing open a bit? That's bloody rattled open. Let's have that open, shall we? Oh, I don't like that. Right, I need to sort that out. Right, there's a lot of waffling goes on, I know. So, let's have a look. So this is the cellar room, and let me just get in there. Oh, come on back. Up. Yeah, so we're taking this floor out. This is another job I want to get done while I'm here. Get the rest of these floors out, floorboards out. Get these timbers here looked at. And I've got, these are the big ones in there that I can use, probably some of them for in here, or do we just put I'll just put some new ones in, I think. Yeah, so that's pretty much where we're at. That's the walk around done for now. I'm going to go knock on Ivan and Zlatko's door, say hi, and see what they're up to. Yeah, and crack on. Happy days, look at it all, bloody hell, well, it's got to be done. I'll see you in a bit.